Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to let you know, and that bell notification to let you guys know when I do upload a new video. So I know I have been gone for a little bit, but you know I'm back, and I have been sick. You know, I have got the flu and I'm just now getting better. So we are back to doing videos, you guys. Yay! So today's video I am going to be doing a unboxing, and this company is Laza. I hope I am saying that right. They were kind enough to send over these beautiful glitters. It is skin safe and non-toxic. It's safe to wear on the skin, no harm to the nails or body. And these are 4 vibrant colors. They do come 80 ml per jar. So, and here are their link, their social medias if you want to check them out. And you just put at Laza to check them out. Sorry, the box is, you know, kind of messed up, but we can get over that. They did send over these glitters. I will be unboxing these, and glitters are a mess, you guys. So yeah, and I also received these. And also these rocks. I don't know, when I saw this and I picked these out, I was like, I am curious, very curious about these. These are really gorgeous. So let's do the rocks first, because like the glitters are so messy. All right, so we are going to do these beautiful rocks. So let me go ahead and take everything out of the box. All right, I love how it does come with these beautiful, you know, spoons and petals and scoops and wood sticks and everything. So that is a plus. All right, so this one is called Mineral Blue Crushed Glass. And I just thought these were just so beautiful and just like different. These are really gorgeous. I don't know, we're going to figure out what to do with these. Yes, these are really cute. This one here is called Black Crushed Glass. This one is called Gradient AB Crushed Glass. I thought this one was really, really pretty. I'm just going to keep it in here. I feel like you can see it better like this. And this one is called Mixed Color Crushed Glass. So we're going to go ahead and do these glitters. These glitters are, you can actually really put them inside of some acrylic and make your own acrylics with glitter. And these are really pretty. Some good summer DIY acrylic. This one would be cute for Christmas. This would be really cute for Christmas too. And if you guys are ever thinking about, you know, starting your own acrylic line, get you some of these glitters, girl. Yes. I'm gonna go ahead and do these, and just to let you guys know, you can get these off of Amazon, and here is the link just in case you do want to check them out on Amazon. So this would be a very pretty fall acrylic, or just use it as, you know, raw glitter. Oh, let me open this one. This one is really gorgeous. Look at a little chalky too. Oh, this one is pretty. This one is really pretty. This one you can use year round. Last but not least, they did send over these beautiful 4 colors of a fine glitter here. So we're gonna go ahead and open this as well. All right, so we have more spoons and wood sticks. All right, so these glitters are really pretty. Look at that. This purple one, you know I'm gonna choose the purple because you know I love me some purple. All right, so these are really pretty, and these are fine glitter, and you can use them inside of acrylic as well. And this is will be really pretty for some fall glitter. And it does come with to open and to sprinkle. And then we have this color. This one is really gorgeous. And then we also have this color. I'm glad that it doesn't come all the way filled to the top, because you know glitter can be so messy. So I'm glad that it didn't come all the way to the top. But this one you can also use as a fall color. And then last but not least, I did open this one because I wanted to see how it looked. So we don't have the, yeah. But this one is really, really pretty. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do some mixing. I'm excited. All right, so we will be using Nail Secret clear acrylic powder for these mixes. All right, and I will be also using these little ones from, I don't know if you saw my last video, I did use these little containers to mix some acrylic as well. So I don't know what I want to do first. All right, well, we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna go forward. Let's make some cute fall colors. All right, so first I will be using the spoon that they did provide in the box. Let's make some fall acrylic. So I want to use some of this fine glitter. Let's use this one. All right, so I'm just going to put maybe a couple of spoonfuls of this glitter. I think that is good. That was a good amount right there. And then we're going to use some clear. We'll do about 4 spoonfuls. I'm just gonna take this little powder, this petal, or whatever you want to call it, and just mix her up. I kind of want to use some of this. I hate it when it does that. All right, so let's swatch it and see how she looks. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, guys, so I had to add some more clear acrylic because I did add a little more of, I did add a different type of glitter, so I had to add some more clear acrylic into her. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch her and see what she is looking like. So this is how she's looking. Okay, she is looking cute. What do you guys think? Yes, what do you think? I love it. I should start my own acrylic business, guys. What do you guys think? Should I start my own acrylic? I don't know. This is exciting. This is cute. Okay. I don't even know what to name her. All right. Oop, scoot her up. This one. And now we're going to add some so I added 4 clear acrylic, and we're just going to shake her up, and then we're going to swatch her. Ooh, you guys, that is so pretty. I want to add something else to it. I don't know. Let me see. Let's add some of this. Just going to add a little bit of her, just to bring it out a little bit. And then we're going to add a little bit more of clear because we did add some glitter. Okay. And we're going to shake her up a little bit more. Okay, she's giving, she's giving. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch her. See how she's looking. Ooh, she's pretty. What do you guys think? I think she's pretty. That is giving fall, for real, for real. That is giving fall. I am in love with this. I think I should go ahead and start my own little acrylic line, my little acrylic business. I think I'm gonna look into that. I'm gonna research some things. Yes, I like this. Ooh, this is so a coyote. Yes, all right. So now we're gonna go ahead and do like a Christmas one. I wanna do a Christmas glitter. Let's do some Christmas glitter. You guys see that? Oh my God. Leave it to me to make a mess. So we're gonna do some Christmas glitter. We do have 2 falls. We're gonna do some Christmas. I was thinking these 3 here. I don't know about this one, not quite sure about this one, but I know definitely these 2. All right, so let's put some of her in first. This is how she's looking. All right, and then we're gonna put a little bit of the silver. We're just experimenting. This one looked like it will glow in the dark. All right, and shake her up. Okay. So this is how she is looking. She cute, she cute. Okay, she's giving, I like. So far, so good. She's good, I like. She's giving. Not bad at all. She's giving the Christmas vibes. But let me know what you guys think. Silver in there because Christmas does have silver. Okay. that is pretty. I like that one. This one is really pretty. I think I like this one. Let's see. Yeah, I'm liking this one, guys, so far. Yes, I think I'm liking this one. This one is really pretty. Yeah. But I just want to try one just to see how it looks, guys. What you think? Should I try? Should I try? Yeah, let's try. If not, this can be like really good for nail art. I'm not gonna put too much in there. Look at that, it did pick up. You just have to pick it up a little bit at a time. Not so big. You guys, look at that. Wow. Oh, your girl got something going on. Yeah. Oh, MG, that is so pretty. Wow, I am mesmerized with that one. All right, so these are all the colors that we did. We did some fall collections, we did some winter or Christmas collection, and we also did something with some crushed glass. Girl, yes, I'm on to something, you guys. So what you guys think? You think I should start my own acrylic line? I don't know, because I don't even know if you guys will buy. So I don't know what you guys think, but these are really, really pretty. I love these glitters. Do check them out. I will leave the link in the description box down below. And if you are considering to like doing your own acrylic line, these with glitter, these glitters will be great to start your own acrylic line. Like I said before, I will leave the link in the description box down below so you guys can check out the glitters. They have a whole lot of different types of glitter, fine glitter, chrome. They have chromes, like everything, and I'm really digging them. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope to see you guys back on my next one. And be safe out there, and I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification to let you know when I do upload videos. And I will see you on my next one. Until then, bye.